Hi, today I'm for the new Galaxy M14 and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display option on this device. So we should get first the application from the Play Store. That's why in the search pool enter the Muviz application. Unfortunately, we have now installed by default the Always On Display option. That's why we should get this application. So tap to install, wait a couple of seconds, and after that we should just open the app. Here click Draw Over Apps and find the Muviz application, click on the switcher and go back. Tap here to AOD section, select one from these available tabs, click Apply. Now just let's lock the device. And we can see that this option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.